Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be on this look right here. It's kind of like a smoky cat eye. And to start off, I applied tape on the edge of my eye for that nice defined line. And then I'm going to prime my eyelids with Max Painterly Paint Pot. Now with the Smashbox Full Exposure Palette, I'm first going to take the matte white shade and use that to set the paint pot, and now I'm taking the lightest brown to work as my transition color. Now with Max Brown Script Eyeshadow, I'm going to use that in the crease and to start building up the outer corner. Now taking the darkest brown in that same Smashbox palette, I'm going to use that and build up the darkness on the outer corner even more. Now with the black, I'm going to use that to start building up the cat eye shape. Now I'm just taking the black but on a flat brush just to pack it on and make it even more intense. Then I'm just going to blend and make sure there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going to take that gunmetal silver color and pack that on my eyelid. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to use one of the matte highlighting shades from the Anastasia Contour Kit. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape and clean up. So after this, I went and did my wing eyeliner off camera, and now I'm just taking that flat brush again and packing on the black right where the eyeliner meets the shadow. Now for lashes, I'm using the Ardell 113 stacked on top of the Cocoa Lashes in Goddess. Now with a flat brush and some concealer, I'm going to go ahead and clean up that outer edge just so that it's nice and defined. Now I'm going to line my waterline and between the eyelashes with the Urban Decay eye pencil in Perversion. Now with some black eyeshadow and an angle brush, I'm just going to set the liner and kind of make a nice flowing line connecting the wing and my lower lash line. Next I'm just going to apply mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Now with that shimmery champagne color, I'm going to use that to highlight my inner corners. So now I'm just prepping my lips, and then I'm going to go ahead and outline them with Mahogany by NYX. Now I'm applying Gala by NYX in the center, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it together with a lip brush. Now on top of that, I'm applying Myth by MAC. Now I'm just going to apply this more peachy shade lip liner to the outer edges. Now I'm just going to blot my lips and apply a clear gloss. And that's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!